Hey everybody, today we're making a thumper off the landscape. Stick with me. Tick, 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 boom. Hey guys, thanks for being here. I appreciate you joining me. Today I got a real quick question for you. What happens if you want to make one of these or one of these, but you don't have all the crazy tools that you need to make one? What kind of crazy tools, Madison? You know, crazy tools like this. A bit and brace. Who carries a bit and brace with them into the woods? Auger bits. Who carries an auger set with them into the woods? An axe? Sometimes you don't carry an axe with you into the field. Shame on you. If you left home without this, you are in a world of hurt. Shame, shame, shame. What I'm going to do is show you how to make a hammer with just this. A Bahco Laplander. Let's get busy. So the first thing we got to do, guys, is go out hunting in the woodlands for a tree. I happen to have this wonderful down tree that I have been whittling off of for the better part of a couple weeks. And what we're looking for is a nice sizable log, 5 or 6 inches across. If you want something nice and sizable, more than likely, if you're using it around camp. And the other thing we're looking for is a branch that comes off at like a 90-ish degree angle. Now you gotta understand, you're dealing with stuff off the landscape. Nothing is ever going to be perfect. Deal with it. Deal with it. That's the wonderful thing about bushcrafting. Nothing is ever perfect. You learn to deal with the best of what you got. So here, I've got a handle, and I'm gonna cut it off so I will then have a hammer. Let's get busy. All right, so we're through the first side. We're just gonna cut the back side and we'll see you back at camp. All right guys, we're back at camp. Right there's a little artifact from the tooling where my 2 saw lines didn't match up. We're just gonna go ahead, saw that off flat. There's the hammer. Let's go whack some stuff. All right, guys, I made a couple tent stakes. We're gonna find some earth. It's pretty easy to find, just look down. And we're gonna hammer these things into the ground just to see how well that hammer works. Let's start with the small one first. Went in like a charm. Let's try the big guy. Well, that did not go quite as planned, but all things being equal, the hammer worked fine. Tent stake, not so much. Hey guys, thanks for joining me once again this week. We went over how to make a thumper. That's right, the forest is full of these things. All you have to do is look for a big old stump with a handle from a branch, saw it off of both ends, and you've got yourself an instant hammer right off the landscape. Gives you a little bit of extra oomph when you need it. You can drive in tent stakes, you could drive in wedges, or like I said, that guy next to you, he's snoring. This puts the end of the snoring pretty quick. So, thanks guys. I appreciate you guys being here every single week. I appreciate you with your comments, your likes, your subscribes. Go down there, hit that notification bell. Guys, if you're not subscribed, go down there, hit that subscription. If you like anything that I've done, if you like my style, my sass, my spunk, anything like that, bam, go down there, slap that notification bell. You can also find me on Instagram at Bombproof_Bushcraft, Bombproof_Bushcraft, on Facebook under Bombproof Bushcraft. You can also find me on Library, LBRY, that's LBRY. And most importantly, guys, every Friday night I have a live video feed that I do about 8 o'clock on bushcraft, survival, primitive skills. Mickey Wilson, it's a group out there on Facebook. Look them up. Every week I just get out there and I pontificate about whatever's on my mind on any varied topic. Guys, thank you so much for everything. I will see you on the next one, and until the next one, get out of the inside and into the outside. Take care. Does a big bear poop in the woods? A big bear will poop wherever it wants. We all have to face the call of nature, but we don't have to do it like a bear. Let's be real. Nobody likes pooping in hollow logs. Hanging their crack over down timber. Or dropping trouser and leaning against a tree, aka the electric chair. That's not even considering the worst part about dropping deuces in the woods. How about snakes, spiders, bugs, and other critters that have no respect for your personal boundaries? It's time to start pooping like civilized people. Introducing the Bombproof Bushcraft Hammock Crapper. Just because you're roughing it doesn't mean you can't smooth it. Who has 2 thumbs and relaxes while she poops? This chick. Our space-age, patent-pending collection technology makes sure you don't get dirt all over your dungarees. We all know hammocks are the best way to get a good night's sleep, but how are they to poop in? Here's a hint. Bring a book, because you won't want to get up. But don't take my word for it. Here's a few real-life testimonials from real people who have used the hammock crapper. This has changed my life. I used to hate going to the bathroom in the woods. Now I can't wait. It's like sitting on a nice white puffy cloud while listening to nature. The most peaceful poops I've ever had. I've been pooping since I was born. And I just figured out I've been doing it wrong all those years. I'm getting one of these for the house. Act now, and you'll get a complimentary bottle of Touche, the anti-stink aroma fighter made for the outdoors. It'll smell like you crapped out a pine tree. Order today. Supplies are limited. And you deserve it to poop in the most comfortable way known to man, which isn't like this. Ooh, my legs are falling asleep. Oh, I should have ordered the hammock crapper.